I just took Old Faithful out for a ride. I haven't been riding much at all. And while I was out riding, I watched the temperature gauge go up and then come back down. What? I've never heard of that. I had no headlight, so I said, okay, time to go home. 8.97, that's not very good. That's not good. That's not charging too well. There's something wrong with the stator. I was just getting ready to measure the resistance on the stator coils and just replace all 3 of those wires. Here's a quick recap. I've replaced this 6-pin connector. Everything is new in there. The connector, the lugs have all been soldered to the wires. This 4-pin connector from the stator has been replaced. Same thing. All new lugs, all the wires have been soldered. We have a charged battery, 12.65 volts and holding. I think we have a success story here. Damn smoky things.